Okay, so this is your review for your Chapter 3 test, which is on Friday now. And I'm just going to go through the book, through each section that the test is over, and do some examples for you guys. So the first section is section 3-1. And it's on solving equations. So in the directions, it gives us these three numbers, -1, 1, or 4. And it says which one of these numbers is a solution for these problems. So what I'm going to do is just plug in each number and solve, and whichever one shows the two sides equal, that is the solution. So I'm first going to plug in -1 for y.
Oh, it's in the top.
Yeah. And so then I'm going to say, what is -1 plus 7? That is 6. 6 equals 6. So that worked. -1 worked. But let me try the others just in case, because sometimes there's more than one that works. So I'm going to do the next one, which is 1 plus 7 equals 4. And 1 plus 7 is 8. And 8 does not equal 4. So that doesn't work. What?
1 plus 7 equals 6.
Oh. I know. I was just trying to see if you guys were paying attention. Good job. You passed. Okay. And then, thank you, Ethan. And then the last one I'm going to plug in also. So 4 plus 7 equals 6. And 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 does not equal 6. So the only one that worked for this problem is -1. So the solution to this problem is -1. Okay, for the next problem, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to plug each number in and see which one works for the solution. So I have 2 times whatever I'm plugging in now. So first I'll do -1 minus 5 equals 3. And then I'm just going to, yeah, so 2 times -1 is, yep. And then -2 minus 5 is how much? It's not times, it's minus, because there's a subtraction sign in there. So we're subtracting. Oh, okay. All right, so -2 minus 5, anybody? Okay. The signs are the same, so I'm going to add the numbers. -7, and the answer keeps the sign. Does -7 equal 3? No. So -1 did not work. So we'll try a different one. 2 times +1 minus 5 equals 3. So 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 minus 5, -3. Does -3 equal 3? No. So that doesn't work either. Let's try the last one. 2 times 4 minus 5 equals 3. So 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 minus 5, 3. So we found it. 4 is going to be our answer. So this is my last example for section 3-1, and it is an example with decimals. So we're doing the same thing. We're plugging in each decimal to see which one is the solution for this equation. So 2 times 0.1, you're going to want your calculator for this one, plus 2 equals 3. So what is 2 times 0.1? Anybody? Don't be shy. Yes. So 0.2 plus 2 equals 3. And then I'm just going to add those together. 0.2 plus 2 is just Good. 2.2. Does 2.2 equal 3? No. So that doesn't work. How about 0.5? So 2 times 0.5 is 1. What's 1 plus 2? Does 3 equal 3? Yes, so 0.5 works. Let's try the last one just in case. 2 times 1.5 plus 2 equals 3. So 2 times 1.5, yep. And 3 plus 2 is 5. Does 5 equal 3? No. So that doesn't work. So the answer has to be 0.5. The section 3-2 is just solving one-step equations. So we're going to look at the equation, look at what's happening to the x, and do the opposite to both sides. Morning. Good, how are you? So what is happening to the x in this equation? Like the number and the x, what's the operation that's happening with 4x? Yeah, so multiplication is happening, so we do the opposite, which is divide by whatever's next to the x. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So 48 divided by 4, 12. And that's it. How about number 8? What do we do to solve this? Minus 5. And x equals what? Yep.
No.
What?
No. Oh, you did. I know. I thought.
Okay. All right. So number 9 is a little bit different. Yes, and dividing by 1/2 is the same as multiplying by the flip. Okay? Or you can divide it out and get a decimal 0.5 and then divide by that. So whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I just flipped and multiplied. That cancels out and I'm just left with C. And then what is 2.3 times 2?
Wait, what?
Times 2. Yeah. 4.6. Good. Okay. All right, last one. What do I do? Yeah. And that's going to cancel, and D equals what? $20. Good. All right. And so that's all for today's review. And tomorrow we'll review the last 2 sections, which is section 3.4 and 3.5. And look for that video tomorrow. Email me if you have any questions. Bye.